Hey, welcome to the channel. It's Big Papa, and we are about to enter a new year. And as with new things, everything is like gonna have to be new. So um, got some good news, bad news from the people at YouTube. Well, the good news is my channel, I've been accepted as a, partner, YouTube partner. But the bad news is there's trouble with the content I've been putting up. So I'm gonna have to be like putting up new and different contents. Okay, so going forward, I'm gonna be doing whatever comes to mind. Okay, the channel is still gonna be Big Papa vibes and with Jamaican versions, but it's gonna be Jamaican version of things Jamaican. Everything is gonna be have a touch of Jamaican because as you know, I'm originally from Jamaica, but I'm a citizen of America, and I'm gonna be like doing things, a little cooking, some sightseeing, and a little, what do you call, vlogging, talking, doing a podcast type of stuff here. I'll be like talking about, sometimes I might be talking about my life, things that happened to me. One day it might be like stuff I remember as a kid coming up, and then my teenage years, even up to when I started like doing stupid stuff. We all do stupid stuff, and it is. But yeah, going forward, I'm gonna be like doing less of the music. I might still be putting up music if they allowed it up, but YouTube is with the guidelines. So as I said, going forward, things are gonna be different. My first video upload, I think, will be about cooking. Guys, I'm gonna apologize ahead of time. My video technique isn't that good. Doing in the kitchen, where you have to be like moving around, moving stuff, doing this, doing that. But as we go along, I think things will get a lot better. But yeah, so that's it. I'm just updating you guys for the coming year. So I'm gonna be putting up a video early in the new year. So I'm looking forward to you guys keeping supporting me, watching my videos, liking and subscribing as usual. So so this is Big Papa wishing you guys all the best for the coming year, and hope to see you guys tuning in, liking, commenting and subscribing on the new stuff that I'm doing. So this is Big Papa signing out for now. Thank you.